How to remove cart from DoorDash. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can basically remove a cart on DoorDash, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to basically remove cart from your DoorDash, all you have to do is basically open up the DoorDash application here, and it's actually quite simple. Once you log into your DoorDash account from the DoorDash app, you want to let this to load up successfully first. So let me just go ahead and load it up. Tap on the profile icon from the very top of the screen, as you can find here. Then you'll find the option that says payment methods, so tap on payment methods. And after you tap on payment methods, you'll be able to see any sort of payment method that you have, including the card. So all you have to do is select that payment method. Now in my case, I have one payment method which is my Google Pay saved, so I can choose to remove that if I want, but I can simply go ahead and then use other payment methods as well. And that's all it takes to remove cart from DoorDash. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.